Hey friends, it's Sop Mimo speaking here and hope everything is well. Inside this video, I will show you the product passively. Okay, so there is nothing much to tell about this product cause this is a totally newbie friendly product and this is all about made for affiliate marketing and online marketing. But let me clear you that you will be given kind of $4,167 bonuses with this product. Okay, so I will clear you the bonus part a little bit later, but let me start with the product now. So as you can see, these all are tutorials. This product is all about tutorial courses and video course. Okay, or you can, if you are a newbie, I highly recommend to get this product and you can earn a good, really good. I have gone through this tool and gone through the videos and it is pretty much clear to me, and I am already following the way as this the guy is already saying about, and let me show you now. Okay, so inside module 1 you are getting this and module 2, module 3, module 5, up to module 5 this guy has given so many videos and this takes very much time. And this let me clear you one thing, that this tool or these videos are made in Indian English language. Okay, so this is, now let me start with the product review and cost and everything, kind of rating, kind of upsells and my bonuses most importantly. So these are the ratings. Inside content givens, it has got 95%, inside value for money it has got 93%, and for overall it has got 9.4%. I never consider market hits inside this overall section, and this product costs about 17 bucks, and it has also a discounted category, kind of $9, and this is the launch period, and this guy is already giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, so you should nothing to worry. So this is the product description and what you are getting inside this module I have mentioned here. Okay, so this is the owner guy named Shubhas Yadav, and also let me clear you that this is made for totally newbie marketers and newbie online marketers or digital marketer or software marketer or any marketing, any niche. So anyone can get this product if they are new. I highly recommend. Okay, but I don't recommend for experts. Okay, so I have also mentioned here you have to face Indian English and also this is a justified course. I think inside 17 bucks this guy has given very good knowledges and so many knowledges. This guy wrapped up from every aspects. Okay, so this is a sales funnel. You can go through the description and also each title. Okay, if you want to via video description link, you can redirect, you will be redirected to this page and you will get all of the descriptions inside this page, and also this product and my bonuses. So this bonus, this is the owner bonus. Let me clear you, this is not my bonus, this is the owner bonus. This bonus comes with this product by default. Okay, so these four are the owner's bonus, and let me now start you my bonuses. Okay, which I will be giving you with this product if you purchase this product from my website. Okay, so this is the bonus valued, and you are getting literally PC games, but it is totally restricted for first 10 members because this is really popular games, and for those who are coming first, they should serve first, they should get the offer first. That's why this type of method or this type of rule. Okay, so these there are 5 games inside case studies. You are getting 4 case studies that will be very much valuable for you if you are a newbie. You are getting Facebook help, YouTube help, and these frees all are the evergreen bonuses apart from the game, and ebook also evergreen bonus. And if you purchase any upsell of passively from this website, you will be given these bonuses, kind of 200 plus softwares and 75 plus plugins, 1k plus high quality graphics, 1.46k doodle character images. These are really needy these days and trending these days. And also 100 plus miscellaneous product, kind of PLR products, kind of kind of ebooks and also case studies and also such kind of products, and a package of 100 miscellaneous product with resale rights. And let me clear you that you are also getting 3 games inside the upsell bonuses. Okay, so this was the upsell bonuses, and this is also restricted to first 10 members only. So after purchasing the product from Warrior Plus, you have to go through your purchase history option. This is a crucial option. May I have your attention please to clear you that you have to go through your purchase history option. Inside your purchase history option, you will be given this blue button, and which is named as Access Affiliate Bonus. And after clicking this blue button, you will be given my bonuses, and which is kind of $4,167 bonuses. So this was the overview of bonuses and also passively, and I have showed you the product from inside. I think I have cleared you the product and also my bonuses. So that was my 2 purposes to making this video. I am signing out now. I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.